Now in this second example, we're going to be talking about a 30, 60, 90 degree triangle. So if you notice, the ratio of the sides is different because this angle is smaller than this angle. So if this 30 degree angle is smaller than a 60 degree angle, then that means the side opposite the 30 degree angle is going to be shorter than the side opposite the 60 degree angle. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find P. So we're going to say that P times the square root of 3 is equal to 5. Okay, now in order to do this, we need to divide both sides by the square root of 3, and we have P is equal to 5 over the square root of 3. Now we must rationalize this denominator as well, because once again we cannot have a radical in the denominator. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 5 over the square root of 3, and we're going to multiply the numerator and the denominator by the square root of 3. Alright, and that's going to give us the value of P. So from there we can go here and we can say 5 times the square root of 3 over 3 is equal to the value of P. So P is equal to 5 times the square root of 3. Now for part 2, in order to find Q, we know that whatever the value of P is, if we multiply it by 2, we'll get the value of Q. So here, what we have is 5 times the square root of 3 over 3, and then we're going to multiply it by 2, and that's going to equal Q. And for this one, it's very simple. All we have to do is say 2 times 5, which is 10, times the square root of 3 over 3 is equal to Q. So notice, once you find the value of the side across from the 30 degree angle, all you have to do is take that value and multiply it by 2 to find the length of the hypotenuse. So these are our two special right triangles. There's the 45, 45, 90 triangle, and then there's the 30, 60, 90 triangle.